Hospitality is a Chinese culture. When you visit a Chinese family, they always want to make sure you have plenty of food to eat and make sure you're not hungry. Therefore, it's essential to learn how to say, I'm full. That way, you're not too stuffed. To learn how to say I'm full, let's focus on full. Please repeat after me. 饱饱饱饱 To express I'm full in Chinese is 我饱了 Please repeat after me. 我饱了我饱了我饱了 Now a little bit faster. 我饱了我饱了我饱了 Let's practice how to express the following in Chinese. I'm hungry. I want to eat an apple, a banana, some grapes, some watermelon, an orange, a peach, and some strawberries. Delicious. Oh, I'm full. I'm gonna say them in Chinese slowly. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. 我饿了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，和一些草莓。好吃。我饱了。Let's do it one more time. 我饿了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，和一些草莓。好吃。我饱了。Now, let's go a little bit faster. Please repeat after me. 我饿了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，和一些草莓。好吃。我饱了。Last, I'm gonna say them all together. See whether you can do the same after my turn. Let's get going. 我饿了。我想吃一个苹果，一条香蕉，一些葡萄，一些西瓜，一个橙子，一个桃子，和一些草莓。好吃。我饱了。Now it's your turn. Remember to practice with emotion. Information plus emotion creates new memory. Have fun. Well done. 好样的。See you tomorrow. 明天见。I've spent lots of time, energy, and efforts into making this video for you to learn Chinese. please give me a thumb up or share to show me your support. Thank you. If you need more of my videos, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or search Learn Chinese with Sabrina, no boring grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com. Have a wonderful day.